Sound Oasis S100 White Noise Machine. Sleep is critical to good health and happiness, yet so many of us do not experience the quality or quantity of sleep that we should. Experts have long recognized that one's sound environment is one of the most important factors in obtaining quality sleep. Many sounds can stop you from falling asleep or staying asleep, such as barking dogs, hotel noise, noisy neighbors, snoring, tinnitus, and traffic. White noise creates a natural, consistent, soothing sound environment that helps keep those distracting sounds from interrupting your sleep. And white noise is clinically proven to create a peaceful, sleep-conducive sound environment, manage tinnitus, help babies sleep, create a shield of sound for privacy and concentration, and improve concentration. The Sound Oasis White Noise Machine S100 is the world's ultimate white noise machine. It has 10 different tones of white noise to meet individual preferences. Our patent-pending white noise generator plays back seamless, non-looped white noise sounds. Play music from your iPhone, iPod, or MP3 player by plugging into the input jack. USB powered. Power from your PC or a wall outlet with the included USB cable. Leave the S100 on day and night. It only consumes 0.15 watts of electricity. That's less than 1% of traditional white noise machines. The 4-position timer allows for continuous play or automatic shutoff in 30, 60, or 90 minutes. The off or zoom button plays the last played sound, timer, and volume selection. The rotating dial controls sound volume. The sound selection button scrolls you through the different white noise tones. A headphone pillow speaker jack allows playback of sound through headphones or a pillow speaker. A big 3-inch speaker delivers high-quality sound, yet the small size is ideal for home or travel. Sound Oasis. Sleep better, feel better, live better.